Hello everyone. By now you should have reached this particular page to start your download process. If you were to land on the main Unity page and you select Get Unity, you would scroll down until you find older versions of Unity. Please note that the last version you install will be your default Unity program. Just saying, but you can install multiple Unity versions. So you'll scroll down and you will find 2017.1.1, which is what the book is utilizing. So we're going to download the Unity installer and go from there. And look at all of these wonderful things that you can come back and install if something is missing. So I'm just going to install the Unity installer, and there it goes down here at the bottom. You'll double click on this executable file and you will follow the WYSIWYG while Unity installs. I'm going to accept the terms, and you may wish to print these out if you haven't read them before. That's important to know what you are signing. And for myself, I like to keep the documentation, the standard assets. Later in the VGD program, you'll be doing some builds, some Android builds. If you're on a Mac, maybe you'd like iOS. I don't go with iOS. There's a lot of extras for that one, so I think that's a class within itself. So and then I'm going to scroll down and make sure that I have the WebGL build support as well. Select my next option and it says, where are you going to install this particular version? Because I have multiple versions of Unity, I want to state what folder this will go into. So you can see here I have a Unity 5.3.4, which was my last download. So what I'd like to do is change the name of this particular one to 2017.1.1. So I know that that is the exact Unity that I want to work with in this text. And I'm going to select Next, and Unity will start the download process. Just follow the WYSIWYG during the download process. I'll be back as soon as this one is installed. Okay, we're back. Now, after the installation is complete, Unity says, hey, do you want us to launch this? If so, you click yes, and you select Finish. I'm going to unselect that and select Finish and show you the different versions that I have so far on this machine. I have two others. Okay, so over here, I'm just going to drag over the program files. And in the program files, if you scroll down, you will find your Unity folder. So I have a Unity 5.3, then a Unity which I just installed, 2017.1.1, and then I had a Unity 2017.4.1. And eventually I'll have a Unity 2018, and so on, and so on, and so on. I think you get the gist.